Hi guys, I've just got a target and I'm pretty confident it's gold, so I'll just now try and locate it. And there, still in the hole I think. There we go, we've got it. Still in my hand. It's there somewhere. Let's have a look at it. Yep, it's definitely gold, as you can see.